Guys, we are right here sa Plaza San Lorenzo Ruiz in celebration for Chinese New Year. Sinarado lang to. I mean, kinonvert tong place na to a parang kainan na lugar. Daming tao today, Sunday. So as you can see, may mga tables. Ano yung mga binibenta? May shawarma. Meron din mga tables dito. Wala pwede kang upo. We have some police presence for safety. Because sa Manila pa rin naman tayo and maraming tao. And may mga foreigners. Yung temporary na police station dito. It's, I think, first time ba in my recent memory na may ginawang ganun na event. So it's nice. Nice initiative by the mayor to do something like this para to celebrate Chinese New Year. Of course, revenue rin sa kanila na nakagawa sila ng ganung setup. Pero may mga stalls pa na hindi na rent out. So I guess pwede ka mag-i-inquire. Huling punta kasi namin sa weekday. So walang masyadong tao. Pero today, maraming tao siya eh. Yeah. Silipin natin yung mga ibang stuff dito before we go. May buy nila lang aming merienda kasi. Oh, it's Year of the Horse. 2026. Ayun lang guys, it's a quick tour. We're gonna come here. And this will be open until Feb 21, I think. Pero I think goes into the night naman. Dapat mga 9, 10.
9 maybe?
Yeah. Probably 9 or 10. Pero parang hapon na nagsisimula. Hapon na.